Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video we will learn how to create a partition in your Windows 10. So without further ado, let's get started. So first we will come over the search option and search for File Explorer. Here you can see. So select on File Explorer and then click on this PC option. Here you can see. After that, here you can see there is three partition over here: local disk, my personal space, and new volume E. So here I will create another partition called new volume F. So how you gonna do it, or how we gonna do it? Very simple. Follow this video. So first we will go to this start icon and click on your right mouse button and go for run. After that, here you will get diskmgmt.msc. You just need to write it in your run system and then click on OK. And by this, here you will go for, or you came, or you are here at disk management. So in my C drive, here you can see there is 25.9 GB free space. In my personal space, here is 60.5 GB space. And at the new volume sector, I have 54.51 GB free space. So I will select the new volume E. I need 5 GB for my new volume. So for that, click on your right mouse button and here you will get an option called shrink volume. And then here we are in shrink volume. So here you can see here is an option called enter the amount of space to shrink in MB. So I will select 5 GB for that. You know it very well that 1024 MB equal 1 GB. So for 5 GB I will select 55024 and then click on shrink. And here you can see there is another allocated space 4.91 GB from new volume E. So now click on this unallocated and then click on your right mouse button and here you will get an option called new simple volume. So create on it and then click on next, and then here you can leave it as it is. It's completely taking the whole space that we created. So click on next and then here you will get an option called assign the following drive later. So here you will get an option called assign the following drive later. So I told you I will create a new volume F. So that's why I choose the F later over here. You can choose whatever you want. So after that, click on next and then here you will get a option called file system. So here I selected NTFS. If your file system selected FAT32, then change it as NTFS and then allocate unit as default. If you want to select anything, don't need it, just leave it as default. And if you want to make a name for your new volume, like I'm giving a name called ABC. If you have any recommended partition name, you can give. So after that, completing this sector, click on next and click on another time finish, and here you can see the notification come that select what happens with removable driver. So here you can see we create a 4.91 GB NTFS partition, a new partition over here. So close it. So in the beginning we have three partition called local CDs, my personal space, and new volume E. And now we created our new partition over here called ABC F drive. There you can see. So this is how you can create partition for your Windows 10. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you another video. Till then, goodbye.